This is Caleb, 32 from Oakland.
I'm Jacob, also 32 from Oakland.
And we are
Team Hammer Time.
Ah,
We're called Team Hammer Time
Hammer Time.
because we're from Oakland, like MC Hammer, but also because we're going to bring the hammer to this competition. We're going to drive over the bridge, come to your city, San
Pay the
Francisco,
toll.
pay the toll.
Or take BART.
That might be cheaper.
Take the carpool lane if we don't take BART.
Between 3 and 7 on weekdays, and we're going to win this competition.
We got it own. We're gonna dominate.
We're going to show you that Oakland residents know more about your city than you, San Francisco.
Ooh, that hurts.
Ooh, that's going to
That's
hurt.
gonna hurt. Jacob, why do we enter this competition?
We entered this competition to represent Oakland.
Who's been
underrated for decades. That's right. Oakland is like the Brooklyn of the West Coast. You know, there's all kinds of things happening in Brooklyn. There's all kinds of things happening in Oakland. Caleb,
Yes, Jacob.
why are we going to win this competition? Besides these outrageous crotch shots that we're
Well, I think there's a plethora of reasons.
All right, number 1.
We're creative.
Number 2.
We're resourceful.
Number 3.
We've got a secret weapon.
We are the masters of disguise. We have infiltrated so many communities, you would be appalled and ashamed. Or impressed.
For example, there was Mormon night.
Where we went in our Mormon outfits down into
Spread
karaoke
the
and spread the gospel, right?
Yeah.
We dressed up as hipsters and had a hipster photo shoot, and that was a lot of fun. We had
Yeah.
a little hipster mustaches and had a tandem bike.
We finish each other's
Sentences. Oh. Right, well. Anyway, no, we've had others. We went to MC Hammer Bobblehead Day at the A's game, and we both dressed like MC Hammer. In fact, I'm pretty sure people thought we were MC Hammer. We had ugly sweater parties where we looked like ugly Midwestern families. Ooh. Are we allowed to say Midwestern?
Frumpy Minnesotian housewives.
Even if we just play baseball or go do laundry, we can't help but like get fully decked out. So, is that going to help us win this competition?
Oh, for sure.
Possibly, and yes, it is going to help us. Caleb, what do you think would be the best way for them to really get to know our personalities?
Good question, Jacob. I would have to say let's take them on a tour of the house.
Oh, that sounds like a great idea. All right.
Starting now with the religious hallway coming up.
All right, welcome to our house. Let's give a little tour of our house and show what we're all about.
Sounds good. Let's start with the religious hallway.
All right. Now, we're all about themes in this house, so each room has its own separate theme. And as you're going to see, our hallway is a religious hallway. We don't discriminate.
No, we include all baby Jesus
This is like an authentic baby Jesus, right?
Yeah.
Where did he come from?
from Guadalajara, Mexico.
Okay, cool.
Shrunken head, voodoo. I got this on an adventure in Vietnam. It's supposed to be an aphrodisiac.
Really?
Yeah, a love potion. It's a real cobra in a bottle.
We've got Siddhartha wearing the Jesus on the cross, so it's like God wearing God.
Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere.
Behind Velvet Jesus, we have our next stop on the tour. Our Asian bathroom.
That too racist for an audition?
Oh no!
Okay. You'll notice everything in this bathroom is Asian. Well, that's not the curtains. Bamboo curtains. Do you have a favorite piece in this bathroom?
I like this bobblehead a lot.
I'm really partial to. Oh, what do you have there?
I like this Asian guy who just lives in here.
Oh, hello. Hello, hi.
And this book.
Oh,
Five Chinese brothers. Which one are you? Which one are you?
they're all of me.
They're all.
What's next on the tour?
Now we're going to the dining room, or as we call it in our house, the sports bar. We got all the Bay Area teams represented, except for the Sharks. Not really a big hockey fan.
No,
No.
that's for Canadians. Oh, I got it. I read your mind.
You want me to explain about the dog? Explain where.
I used to work for the Oakland Athletics. That's a baseball team here in Oakland. And one of the perks was free dolls, or bobbleheads, as we like to call them. Let's show off our trophies
Our trophies.
from high school.
Were these?
Jake played hockey, I played soccer,
Mm-hmm. This was.
and a bowling one.
And in high school, my name was Scott Novotny. Scott Novotny.
Got it, Novotny.
Now, Caleb, what does every sports bar need?
A desk. deck porch?
I was gonna say a patio.
Oh, right. An outdoor patio.
Which we call at our house the deck porch. Now this wasn't here when we built the house. We didn't build the house.
No.
Caleb likes to keep busy. Caleb built this thing with his 2 hands.
And a hammer and a drill and a saw. I laid the AstroTurf. I put up this lattice. Made it safe.
Well, relatively safe. We would suggest that you don't actually lean up against the railing. It's not that kind of railing. Now, why do we call this a death porch?
Because it's very dangerous and it's peeling off the house as we speak.
I don't know if you can tell this with the camera, but we're on a slant right now, and every day it seems to slant a little bit more.
One of my prized possessions would be my VHS collection. I've got the obvious staples like Godfather, Scarface. Who doesn't own those? But does everyone own the classic Disney heavyweights? Or even the ultra 90s movie Airborne?
The lion sleeps tonight. Oh, in my way, 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 oh, in my way.
Hello?
3:38 a.m. I'm gonna go wake up my roommate and make him go mining with me. Jake up.
What?
Jake. Get up.
What are you doing?
Let's go mining.
What time is it?
It's time to mine.
Seriously, what time is
It's time to mine. Wake up, come on.
Alright, fine.
Come on. Get up.
What are you wearing?
My Canadian tuxedo. Let's go mining.
Alright, well look. You come out here, I'll film. Let me film.
No.
No, let me film. No, I don't wanna, no, I'll follow you. I don't wanna, I'll do this, but I'll follow you.
I tried to figure this out earlier. Oh, you twist, you don't push.
Alright, thanks.
Get elbow grease.
Why do we have this place?
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready to protect?
Yeah, I'm ready. Alright. Who's this again?
What?
Whose stuff is this again? I
This
don't.
is the landlord's.
Wait, the actual landlord?
Yeah. Look at crazy stuff down here.
How far back does this go?
It goes deep. You have your mining gear on, I hope?
I got. Not for that. Why do we have this in our house?
Because it's a crazy quarters. It's a disease. You can't throw anything away.
Oh, son of a! Oh,
happened?
a bike fell on me.
Oh, shit. I found some crutches.
Crutches. Does he know that it's here? Like, have you ever met him?
Yeah, he pays rent every month to store his precious treasure here. This
He
is-
paid. He's he's not the owner of the house though.
Please don't.
He pays rent every month to store his stuff here. This is why we have cheap rent then, I guess.
Yeah, you didn't know why?
Well, I just thought we had a good deal on a house.
So you've seen our house,
You've seen our costumes,
you've seen our basement.
and now get ready to see us win. Here comes the hammer!
Great.